My bun is so big today. I got a big old bun. You guys, I have not vlogged in a month. Me and Dion just got back. He just got out of school and I just picked him up. Okay, put on clothes. He never wants to wear clothes. So yeah, I got a package and I wanted to show you guys what it was. My mother-in-law, she's been spoiling the shit out of us. It's not even funny. Anytime I even mention anything, she's like, I'll order it for you. I'm just like, is this what it's like to be an only child? Because hubby is an only child. And I'm just like, wow. My parents, it's me, my sister, and my brother. So that's too many kids. Like, ain't nobody got money for that. And my sister's actually staying with my mom right now. Good news is that she actually got a new apartment. So this vlog, it's been a month, literally a month, because the last video that you guys saw was when we was in Liberty Science Center, and that was just random. I want to upload that because I love looking back on those videos, but it's been a month. There's just been a lot going on. I started selling cookies, so that's been fun. I already have 5 orders, so that's been good. A lot of my friends and family have been supporting me so much, sharing my posts and stuff. You guys can go and follow the Instagram that I made. It's called Sweetie D's, so go check that out. I have the link down below for you guys. My friend Felicia, she made an order. I'll insert some pictures right here so you guys can see how the cookies look. They came out really cute. I did some for her kids and I did some for her hubby. He has like a clothing brand and he's a music artist, so he has this bear. You guys have probably seen me before, and I made cookies that look like that and they really liked it. She came actually to pick them up yesterday. It's just been so like good to see all the support and love that people have been showing me. So if you are in the North Jersey area, hit me up and we can talk about cookies. I don't know if any of you guys watch from there, but I figured I'll say that. You guys can follow me on Instagram and see more cookies and stuff. Dion, yes. No, you cannot play Minecraft. No, you cannot play Minecraft. Every day is Fortnite and Minecraft. He just wants to play that all day, and I'm trying to limit it mainly to just the weekends, maybe a few minutes during the weekdays. Right now, you cannot play Minecraft. No. Why don't you go watch your tablet and rest and relax? Drink some water.
I don't want to. I'm bored.
Anyways, like I said, and my mother-in-law is being very supportive as well. She's like, what do you need? What do you need for your business that you're starting? Let me buy you some stuff. And my birthday is in April, so she's like, it will be an early birthday present for me. What else do I have to update? Not much else. That's all that's really been going on. I've just been doing the cookies and just figuring that out. And what else? Just cleaning and taking care of the house as usual, making dinners and stuff. But Dion, I'm vlogging. Can you be quiet, please?
Mama, I think Dad should start getting those
Are you gonna finish your sentence?
ranch Hot Pockets.
Okay.
Because
Nice.
he likes those.
Okay, can I finish vlogging?
No.
So anyways, you guys, I got a new vacuum. Last time when my mother-in-law came, I was actually, Richard had lost something under the couch, so we moved the whole couch, and I ended up having to sweep out the couch because we don't have a vacuum. So she was like, well, she was looking for a vacuum for me, like she had one, but all the older vacuums, you guys know, they're like huge, and I was like, we just don't have like storage for that. I need to put it in the hallway closet, and I have like limited space there. So I figured I needed to get a vacuum that was about the size of a broom. And I found this one on Amazon, and it has a lot of really good reviews. I'll have a link down below. So I figured I would open it and try it out and let you guys see how it works, because I'm curious too. And then after, I'm going to call my mother-in-law, of course, and let her know how it is. So let me lay this down and open it. Okay, so this is it out of the box, and literally it's a Dyson dupe. Like, it looks just like a Dyson, and it even has a name that's like Dyson. It's called Onsen instead of Dyson. But I was like, I'm not spending $600 on a vacuum. It's too much. It's like $500 to like $700 for a vacuum, and this one was $100. So let's open it and see what's up. So I think I'm really gonna like this. I gotta let it charge a little bit more, and I'm gonna use it later. And I know I'm gonna leave some things because I know Richard, he likes, like, even though it's a vacuum, he likes gadgets and stuff, so I know he's gonna want to try it out. So I'm about to call my mother-in-law and tell her thank you, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later on, probably when we're trying out the vacuum. It feels a little weird because I haven't vlogged in so long, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things here, so bear with me. Hey, Dadder.
Do you want to play something? Yeah, I just finished. Maybe.
Clean out the couch. That's a good game. Called Clean Out the Couch game.
I don't want to clean
Oh,
up the
yeah.
couch. I don't want to clean up the couch.
Mommy has a good toy.
Mama, can I clean up the couch?
You just said clean up the couch? I don't want to clean up
This
the couch.
looks like a
Mama, can I clean up the couch?
giant screwdriver.
I was waiting for you to come home because I thought you would be interested in the gadgets. Dion, I need to put this one back.
Why you have it down with that? Did you do all of them at the same time?
Why don't I just do one at a time and put it back? I can do that too. No, get out of there. You don't stand there. Here,
What's inside? Like what?
a bunch of wood stuff. In the corner, in the edges. You have to you have to do it sideways. There you go. Why do you keep pressing the button over and over?
Take your hand away from the button when you start it.
That's too heavy.
Totally forgot to vlog. I told y'all, bear with me. Bear with me, y'all. I'm gonna pause my podcast. I'm making dinner. I'm making green beans and ground turkey with rice. The green beans have like sriracha. It's something that I make often. Anyways, Dion's helping vacuum.
You told him you're not a businessman, you're a businessman?
Yeah, I told him. And I also haven't vlogged in a month, literally a month.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yeah, I kind of been
hiatus.
I've been preoccupied a little.
Dada, there's nothing.
It's my new toy.
It's pretty fun. I can't see a difference between that and a
It looks like
Dyson.
a gun.
It looks just like a Dyson to me. I don't know what the difference is. I guess it's just the name brand.
It's not a Dyson, it's a on, son.
They probably just don't have the special technology that Dysons have. All right, that was quick. Now we don't have to sweep out the damn couch being ratchet. So yeah, I sweeped out and cleaned out the kitchen.
Put it back.
Let's do around this
That's
table. Oh, my hip and my pelvis is popping in and out for the past 2 days.
What?
So that sucks. But yeah, I'll give this vacuum a thumbs up so far. If something happens, then I'll try to update you guys. But so far so good. It did take a little while to charge, but
Do you want to play something?
hopefully the battery will last a long time.
Let's
So
play
yeah, we're about to play
Lego,
something with
Lego.
Dion while dinner's almost ready. He just finished his homework.